Starting a business can be a daunting task, especially when you don't have any money to invest. But in the design industry, there's a way to start without spending a dime. That's right, you don't need to have a lot of money to start a career in design. All you need is a passion for design and a willingness to put in the work. I've been a designer for over 15 years, and I started out as a freelance designer with no money to invest. In the beginning, my only goal was to make enough money to buy a beer and hang out with my unemployed friends. But as time went on, I became more and more interested in the design world and started to invest my time into learning and growing as a designer. First things first, if you want to be a designer, you need to have the skills. And the best way to improve those skills is to practice. You can start by watching tutorials and design videos online, reading design books and blogs, or taking online courses. But the most effective way to improve your skills is to get feedback from other designers. Find a designer friend or mentor who can give you constructive criticism on your work. Another way to improve your skills is to work on real projects. You can start by taking on small design projects for friends and family or by participating in design competitions. Not only will these projects help you improve your skills, but they'll also give you a portfolio of work to show to potential clients. Once you've honed your skills, it's time to start finding clients. One way to do this is by networking. Attend design events, join design groups on social media, and reach out to other designers and studios to see if they're hiring. You can also use online platforms like Upwork or Behance to find freelance work. But don't limit yourself to just freelance work. It's important to work in a design studio or office with other designers. Not only will you learn from more experienced designers, but you'll also have the opportunity to work on bigger and more complex projects. Plus, working in a studio or office will give you the chance to build a network of contacts in the industry. In conclusion, starting a business in the design industry doesn't have to be expensive. All you need is a passion for design, the willingness to put in the work, and the ability to network and find clients. With these ingredients, you can start your design career without spending a dime. Are you ready to start your design journey with no money? Then hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. Trust me, it's like investing in a virtual stock that will only go up in value as you improve your skills and grow your business. So don't wait, hit that subscribe and like button now and let's get started on building your design empire.